I got this workbench off of Craigslist for free. A lady was wanting to get it out of her house. She's a very nice lady. I had been planning on buying something kind of along the lines of this, only with like a workbench top to it. Oh, this is, you gotta see this. Isn't that cool? Anyways, I was like, you know what? For close to like $800-900, I'm gonna see what's on Craigslist. Whoever made this made some drawers in it. It's got some extra storage underneath here, so I figured, you know what, free is not bad, and I will just try to tighten up these bolts, tighten up the top here. It's all like 2x4s or 2x3s. Pretty sturdy, so I figure why not just sand it up, see if I can make it look a little nicer, and then have something I can use on this side of the shop. Okay, so here is a kind of a happy little accident. I originally bought this to polish the hot tub that you see in the background there, and I made a video about that, polishing it. This has like the hook and loop kind of thing where you can just kind of take this off. Well, I got on Amazon, I bought some 40 grit hook and loop to see if this thing could do any sanding for a table project that I want to do. And I decided to just try it on this the bench here. And you can see it's made really quick progress of this, so I'm gonna just keep doing that. But as you can see, I put my PPE on for my breathing because it's making quite a sandy mess. So Harbor Freight Warrior 7-inch rotary polisher slash sander. I'll show you what I get done in a little bit, just to show you. I have it set on like 5 or 6, so it seems to be working pretty well. Alright, I'm making a lot of progress with this, and I'm going to show you how well it works. I wish I kind of would have used one of these for years, because it takes paint and crappy surface off of wood really fast, but you got to make sure to have your respirator on and kind of vacuum up as you go. I'll show you it in action. So you gotta let this thing come up to speed, and you gotta watch it you don't wear the sides of your pad down. I'll show you where this, I'm probably gonna have to buy another one of these eventually, but for now this is really working really well. This is like a $39 tool, so really worth it. I recommend this. I wish I would have had one of these before. So I'll show you really quickly how this works and how fast it takes off all the crud. I mean, you could make the argument that, yeah, you could put stripper down on it and just take it up with a knife, but this thing really rips it up. I really like it. Those of you who use this all the time probably think I'm an idiot, but you know, I definitely have some projects I can use with this, along with doing polishing too. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I'm not going to say it wasn't a slog, because I'm completely covered in sawdust all over the floor. But definitely hogged out a bunch of this gross paint and some of the old surface of the wood, and it's looking a hell of a lot better now. I'm gonna sand it up some more. I'm not going to overthink this. I'm not going to overdo this. I'm going to sand it the best I can. Then I'm going to start putting some, I don't know, probably some Danish oil or whatever I have up in up in my cabinet. And so I'm going to be finishing this. I think I'm just going to, I have some of this Danish oil. I think I'm going to slather this on, let it kind of dry, wipe it off, add a couple more layers and call it good. I think it'll make it look a little nicer. I'm not going to worry about some of these marks on there. It might be from oil or grease or something, or just worms, or I don't know. But I'm not going to worry about it because this is going to be hacked on and slammed down on and whatever. So, you know, if you make it too pretty, you're not going to want to use it and brutalize it. Yeah, I like it. It really darkened it up, but I'm just gonna slather it on there, and then I'm gonna wipe it off, all the excess, let it dry, maybe add a little bit more, let it dry. Just do that maybe 3 times, and then we'll call it good. That looks good to me. If you like to see the projects I'm working on, hit like, subscribe, or leave a comment, or do all 3.